You probably hear people say, wait for lower interest rate before refinancing. But is always the best advice? Today I'm talking with Kim, our lender. And what do you think? What is the right move right now?
It's a loaded question, so we'll start with that because everybody has a different situation. So it's really going to depend on them specifically, like what is their current interest rate? Do they have equity? What is their goal? So it goes back to what is the goal with checking into refinance? How is it going to help them?
Awesome. What does it actually mean to refinance a mortgage, and why do homeowners choose to do it?
So refinancing means that you're basically starting a new loan on the home that you own or whatever property you're looking to refinance. So you pay off the current loan and begin a new loan. And that's pretty much it. It's just a whole new loan.
Awesome. And what are the biggest benefits of refinancing?
So there can be many benefits. One of the benefits is going to be to lower the interest rate. It could be that you have some high interest debt, such as credit cards, it could be other debts, installment loans that you have, and you would like just one loan all in one. And if you have enough equity in the home, then you can utilize that to pay off that debt and start a new mortgage.
When might refinancing not be a good idea?
Well, there's a couple different reasons. One would be if you don't have enough equity in the home. So maybe you bought as a VA loan with 100% financing, or FHA, or a USDA loan. Depending on the circumstances, even some conventional loans, you may not have enough equity in order to do the refinance. So that would be one reason that wouldn't make sense. The next would be if the payment is higher. Again, that's kind of can change because you might be getting a higher mortgage, but you paid down so much other debt that it could still make sense. And if you're looking to move in the next couple of years and you're tapping into that equity, so when you sell the house, you would have less net coming back to you as proceeds. So we want to look at the whole picture and really see, is it the best move for you to refinance?
With today's interest rates, how can a homeowner decide whether refinancing now makes sense or if they should wait?
Talk to me, talk to a trusted lender, and let's see what, one, again, your goal is. Two, how long you're going to stay in your home, and what's the long-term benefit of refinancing? How is it going to help you?
Okay. And besides lowering an interest rate, what are some reasons homeowner refinance that people may not know about?
So many reasons. Basically, it's like a reallocation of debt, right? So it could be that you have children going off to college and you're looking for ways to help fund the college, to pay for college. It could be, again, high interest rate credit cards or other debt. By paying those off is going to be a benefit. It could also be that you need to do home repairs. Maybe you need a new roof, maybe you need a new furnace. I had a client call me today and they are looking to redo some things in the bathroom. They're a little bit older and need the bathroom to be a little bit more accessible for them. So they want to redo that. So we're looking at some different options for them. So sometimes that means refinancing, or it could even be, which is a whole other topic, but it could be looking at a home equity line of credit or a home equity loan. But there are options. If you have equity in your home, there are options to take a look at.
Okay. What are the first steps homeowners should take before deciding to do the refinance?
Get the facts. Make sure you completely understand what the new payment's going to be, how much you're going to be saving per month, and overall what your break-even point might be. Because there are costs associated with refinancing. Just like you had closing costs when you bought your home, refinancing, there are costs. You might hear the term no cost refinance. Typically what that means is you are utilizing the equity in the home to pay for those fees. So while it might not be any cost out of the pocket, it is coming from the equity. So we just overall want to make sure that it makes sense. You're saving enough money, you have a good break-even point, and it meets your whole financial picture and budget.
Okay. Refinancing isn't a one-size-fits-all decision, as Ms. Kim said. And whether you're looking to lower your payment, tap into your home equity, or pay off your mortgage sooner, understanding your options is the first step. And if you're wondering whether refinancing could benefit you, reach out to one of us. We'd be happy to help you explore your options. My name is Valentina Whitfield with Century 21.
And I'm Kim Hayek with Hayek Home Loans, powered by the Mortgage Network.
And thank you for tuning in. Until next time.